Hey everyone, so I had a few customers asking the same question over the past few weeks, which was how do you change out the front cover lens on the Helix helmet? So I just wanted to jump on here quick and show you all the easiest way to change that out and put a new one in its place. So the Helix is different from our other helmets in that you want to change out the front cover lens by going inside of the helmet as opposed to the outside like you'd see on our Panoramic series or our Sphere series hoods. So to kick things off, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the headgear. It's going to make everything a whole lot easier for you. So to remove the headgear, it's really simple. It will just slide right out. You're going to notice two tabs on the left-hand side of the hood, one at the top, one at the bottom, and same thing with the right-hand side of the hood. One tab at the top, one at the bottom. What you're going to want to do is press in on the bottom tabs. That will free up the headgear and allow you to pull it right out of position. So just press it on that bottom tab, slide out the headgear. Same thing with the other side. Press in on that bottom tab and slide the headgear out of position. Now, once you have the headgear out of place, what you're going to want to do is slide up that ADF, and that's going to allow you to access that front cover lens. So when you're looking at the front cover lens from the inside of the hood, you're going to notice two tabs, one on the left-hand side and then a tab on the right-hand side of the hood. So those tabs are what's keeping the front cover lens locked into position. So to remove it, just start off with one side of the hood. We'll start with the left-hand tab, lift that tab up towards you, and then press it away from the helmet. That will free it up, allow you to push it right out of position. Now, once you have that one side out, just reverse the helmet around, press the front cover lens away from you a little bit, and then pull downwards. It will come right out of position. Now, to put a new front cover lens in, it's just as simple. You're gonna have an opening on the left-hand side of the hood here, and an opening on the right-hand side. What you're gonna wanna do is press the tabs into position on either side of the hood until you hear a clicking sound. That's gonna let you know it's securely in place. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple and quick process to replace that front cover lens in the Helix. It's just a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on the other Optrel hoods. So hopefully this video was useful for anyone that owns a Helix or is thinking about buying one in the near future. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us directly. Until next time, we'll see you soon.